Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my August 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag unbagging. I'm very happy because I got all of my Ipsy Glam Bags pretty quickly this month. I already got my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate and my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Both of those I did my unboxing videos on already. They're up on my channel and I can have those video links in the description down below if you want to see what products I got in those. I also already got my notification that my BoxyCharm and my BoxyCharm Luxe have shipped out, so I'll be doing my unboxing videos of those as soon as I get them. And what I have here is my $12 Ipsy Glam Bag. So as you can tell, I love beauty subscriptions and I get all of them. I love to film my unboxings. I also will be doing full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products that I get, because I have a trying a new makeup product every day series on my channel. And then I have been loving doing full face makeup tutorials of all of my Ipsy products and BoxyCharm products at the end of the month as a way to bring everything together, give you my thoughts on the products as the month has gone on. So lots of fun, exciting content that I really hope that you will subscribe for and turn on the post notifications, because I don't know exactly when I'm going to be getting those boxes and I'm going to be uploading those as soon as I get them. And so without further ado, let's check out August Ipsy Glam Bag. So everything fit in my glam bag this month, and I like the shiny design of the glam bags. This one I think is silver, but it is just so fun. Okay, and then I'll pull out what I'm sure is my third card of the exact same information that I already got in the other Ipsy Glam bags. So I will need to refer to my Ipsy app to get product information. But so this regular Ipsy Glam bag, which costs $12 a month, is supposed to have $50 worth of products. So let's go ahead and see what I got. First up, we have, this is really cute packaging, Moisture Boost Cooling Algae Eye Serum from the brand Tony Moly, which I don't think I know that brand. Sounds a little bit familiar, but so this is an eye serum. I actually am probably going to need to use a new eye serum very soon, so this can be what I switch to. Look at that adorable packaging. It has this cute little whale on it. It says to apply it morning and evening, and that is when I apply an eye serum. I apply my eye serum in the morning and at night. So I will try this out and let you know what I think of it. Next up, I have a cute little lip gloss. This is from Real Her. Wow, I got a lot of Real Her products this month in Ipsy. This says Be Limitless. It's the Color Rich Lip Gloss. Ooh, this is a really pretty shade for a lip gloss. I'm really excited about this. It actually kind of matches my background. It like disappears when I hold it up like that. But okay, I'm not going to swatch this because I'm going to save it for that dedicated review video first impression. But this looks really pretty. I love colored glosses. And then I also got, oh, this is the product I chose. This is my first ever Tatcha product. This is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. A teeny tiny little sample of it. But I have heard so many good things about Tatcha and about the Dewy Skin Mist, so I was excited to be able to choose this to finally try it out. So I love that Ipsy lets you choose one product for your glam bag. When it comes to Glam Bag Plus, you get to choose 3 of your products, which I am very excited about now. And then you get to choose 1 product for your Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. But I feel like they always have really good options to choose from for the Ipsy Glam Bag, and I want to choose multiples, but then when it comes to the Glam Bag Ultimate, I'm like, these are my only options, and I feel like it's much slimmer pickings when it comes to the Glam Bag Ultimate, but it was a tough choice. But I am excited about the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist that I got to choose. And then 2 more products. Oh, this is from Briogeo, which is a brand that I've heard of. I've heard great things about, but I have not tried yet. And this is the Be Gentle, Be Kind Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Mask. So this is to hydrate dry hair. I have been loving hair masks lately. I have been using one every single time I wash my hair. This is my hair washing routine these days. Shampoo twice, condition, hair mask. So it's a little extra, but I've been liking it. My hair seems to be very healthy and very long, so I'm just gonna keep up with what I've been doing. So I'm excited to work this into my hair mask routine. And I have a lot of hair masks now because I got some great ones in my past month, Ipsy and BoxyCharm. So I think I'm starting to get a little too stocked up in hair masks, but I am still excited to try out a Briogeo product finally. And my last product, is this watermelon lip balm from Jersey Shore Cosmetics. Is that based off the TV show? It's the Watermelon Moisture Rich Hydrating Balm. All natural and organic ingredients. I love that. Cruelty free. I love lip balms because I have very dry lips, so I always need to be wearing a lip balm if I'm not wearing like a gloss or something like that. So here you can see that's what it looks like. So that is everything I got. It's not the best, most exciting glam bag I've ever gotten, but it's not bad. It's decent. I did get 3 makeup products, 2 skincare, well, 1 skincare, 1 hair care, but at least the skincare and hair care are types of products that I am excited about. Like a hair mask, I really like using hair masks, but like I said, I hope I can stop getting hair masks now because I have a bunch. And then an eye serum, I love eye serums, but I'm glad this wasn't like a cleanser or a moisturizer or a clay mask, something like that for the face, because I have so many of those. So if I am gonna have to get hair care and skincare in my bag, at least these are good ones to get, and I am excited to try them. And then the makeup products I got, it's kind of a bummer that I got 2 lip products, but I do love lip products and I love lip balms and colored glosses, so I'm happy with these. And then of course, happy with the Tatcha. I do find it hard to believe that these add up to $50 because really, aside from the lip balm, which is a full-size product, the rest of them are all very small. So I would not think that this adds up to at least $50 value. I would say that this little handful of samples is probably around the $12 that I spent on it. So let me know what you got in your glam bag, if you are excited about it, if you feel like you got $50 worth of products. Also let me know if you have tried out any of the products that I got in my glam bag, because I love to get your feedback, especially before I try them out. I love to get your thoughts on them. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.